Vanakkam. We are going to see 32 powerful mudras. These mudras are part of the mudras. 24 of them are done before the Gayatri mantra is chanted. They are called Purva mudras, and 8 are done afterwards. Okay, 32 Gayatri mudras actually are symbolic representation of 32 vertebrae in our vertebral column. That is a spine. The spine is a focal point of 72,000 nadis, and which further branches into the rest of the body. The 7 chakras are also in that in this vertebral column only. So when the blood circulates through these channels, it gives strength to the body, destroys the bad cells, removes blockages, and provides us immunity. Once all these mudras are performed, we should be chanting the Gayatri mantra at least 10 times with our hands in the Gyan mudra. So these 32 are divided into Purva mudra, that is 24 Purva mudra and 8 Uttara mudra. First, let's learn how to do these mudras. The first mudra, actually, I read in so many things. Some of my friends had cancer, and so I was researching. I find performing this 24 Purva mudras prevent cancer, and even if cancer has come, it helps in eliminating the cancer cells. It separates the positive to combine with the negative, and so the positive thrives, whereas the negative is eliminated. We have to much research has to be done, and I saw only one research reference which was okay, but not as a evidence yet. Maybe they have to do it. More research has to be done. But let's see these mudras first. The first mudra is Sumukam mudra. How do we do the Sumukam? We just combine all the tips of both the right and the left hand, all the fingers is towards, we have to face the palm towards each other, then join the tips. Sumukam. So next is Samputam. The hand gesture is like a form of a bud. Like Sumukam is like this, and you have to turn it this way. That is the Samputam mudra. Then from Samputam, we have to straighten all our fingers and then just take them little apart. This is the Vitara mudra. Vitara or Vitaram mudra. Viratam mudra. This is Viratam. And if the bud is, if that was like a, this is Samputam, and then it is Vitatam, and if it is blooming, and then when you are widening the gap between the two palms, and then your fingers should have now slant away from each other. It's like showing the blooming of the bud. This is called Vistrutam mudra. Vistrutam. Okay. Next is Dvimukam. Some of these mudras I have put separately. Today we will see up to 12 mudras in one video, and another video another 12. Finally we see the Uttara mudra. Dvimukam. Dvi means two. Mukam means faces. It shows the two faces of Brahma, that is a Prakriti and Purusha. How do we perform? We join the tips of the ring and the little finger. The rest of the fingers and thumb are away from each other. Okay. This is the Dvimukam Mudra. Next comes Trimukam. Easy, right? This is the third phase we are going to see. And how are you going to do? Trimukam is 3. Here we have 3 energies, Icha, Jnana and Kriya. It also represents 3 phases of the Brahma. Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh are Shiva. While we are forming the Dvimukha, we join these 2 fingers and now we will join the middle finger as well. So this is Trimukha. Okay. And now we do Chaturmukham. Easy, right? All the 4 are joined now. So here it represents the 4 Vedas, Rig, Yajur, Samaveda and Atharva Veda. It also denotes 4 Purusharthas, Dharma, righteousness, Artha, economics, Kama, pleasure and Moksha, liberation. Then Panchamukam. Panchamukam joining all the tips, the spread out. It is all the 5 elements now. Fire, Vayu, Akash, Prithvi and Jal. Then comes Shanmukha. This denotes Lord Shanmukha or Kartikeya or Subramanya. Keeping this mudra intact, only separate the little finger. This is Shanmukam mudra. Panchamukam, keep Panchamukam, remove the 2 little finger. This is Shanmukam. And now comes Athomukam mudra. Athomukam is like this. We are reflecting the sense organs and the karmendriyams, organs of action. It is also downward path of nature's process. That all are pointing towards you and keep the thumb extended upwards. Thumb should be extending upwards. These are all pointing down. Sorry, it is like this. This is the Athomukam mudra. Then all these individual mudras I have already given, but now only I am just narrating 12 mudras in a sequence, and later on each and every mudra we will explain later. Now comes Vyapakanjali mudra. On the expansion of the nature we are going to show here. It's also the gesture of all pervading offering or invocation to the divine. Just roll your hands in front of so that your hands are laid flat next to each other, fingers are pointing straight and palms are facing upwards. Keep them together by placing the sides of the little fingers together. This is the one. Vyapa Kanjali Anjali mudra. It's a Vyapa Kanjali mudra. Finally, 12th mudra is Sakatam mudra. The chakras, like it shows the chakras in conjunction with the movement of the body. Curl the fingers of both the hands into your fist except the index finger and the thumb. Join the tips of both the thumb, keeping the index finger straight to the front. Looks like with the palms facing down. Okay, this is the Sakatam mudra. With that, we will complete this video. We will see 12 more mudras later. Thank you. And after we do the mudras, we have to do the Gayatri japa.